So today we're just going to talk about what exactly your immune system is and some other factors to take into consideration when looking after your immune system. The main three aspects that I find are important with your immune systems in terms of your gland functioning is your cisterna chyli, which is working with your lymphatic drainage. So that is where when you're sick you get your glands swell up in here. But not only that, but it also works around your inflammation of your joints, tendons, ligaments, nerves, and other glands in the body. Then there's your thymus, which is in here, which we've discussed before. That sends out your fighting cells, kind of like your warrior cells that go out and fight off anything that is not your self cells. Then there's your spleen, which is down in the left side of your ribs. That there is your powerhouse to your immune system, controls your platelets, your red blood cells, your white blood cells, and is the overall fuel for your immune system to keep going. At this time, I think it's quite important to emphasize on your adrenals and your endocrine system, all that hormone control going around. Your adrenals is your fight and flight response, so that controls when our body goes into stress. When our body goes into stress, that is when we can have a lot of organs that go into overdrive, get tired, and then that's when we then become sick. It's like that vicious circle. You do lots of work, run down, sick. Do lots of work, run down, sick. It's always making sure we look after and give ourselves enough rest as well. There's different supplements and minerals that we test within the body. So there's your magnesium, which every gland in your body needs. It acts as your fuel for that gland. There's your copper, which specifically is needed with your adrenals. There's your iodine, which is needed for your thyroid. So your adrenals and your thyroid depend on each other to work properly. If your adrenals are out, most likely there's some sort of interference going on with your thyroid also. Different glands talk to each other. Glands then talk to specific muscles. Constantly have a pain in your hip? Just have a think about your stress triggers as well, whether it's quite sensitive. Your adrenals work with your piriformis muscles, which is your deep hip muscles. So not only can you have this glandular dysfunction, you can have this weakness through your muscles as well, and all interfering with that overall well-being of you and your immune system.